Today we have some shocking news. Sunpower, one of the largest names in the solar energy industry, has officially filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. What does this mean for the solar industry? And if you're a Sunpower customer, what happens to your solar panels and warranty? Let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you've probably heard the buzz about Sunpower shutting down their operations. For years, they've been known for their high-efficiency solar panels, but recently, changes in the market, along with increased competition and financial pressures, have pushed Sunpower into bankruptcy. Sunpower filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy on August 5th, 2024. As part of the bankruptcy, Complete Solaria will buy Sunpower's Blue Raven Solar and New Homes subsidiaries, as well as other parts of the Sunpower dealer network. But don't panic just yet. We're here to go over exactly what's happening and, more importantly, what can you do if you own Sunpower panels? Sunpower has been struggling for some time now, facing growing competition, supply chain issues, and rising costs. Chapter 11 is often a last resort for companies in financial distress, giving them time to reorganize their debts and hopefully emerge stronger. But in some cases, it can lead to liquidation. Now here's the big question. What happens to your warranty if Sunpower goes under? This is where things get a little tricky. The potential closure of Sunpower could put many homeowners in a difficult position, especially those depending on the company's 25-year workmanship warranty. If Sunpower goes under, this warranty may no longer be honored, leaving countless households without the long-term protection they were promised for their solar installations. As for the manufacturer's warranty, most Sunpower systems have Maxeon solar panels, and Maxeon will provide warranty coverage for the solar panels. Customers with Sunpower systems installed in 2024 may not have Maxeon panels, so it is essential to review their Sunpower contract. Maxeon's warranty only covers solar panels. Other components, including microinverters, mounting systems, and batteries, are not included, and workmanship is not covered. What actions should homeowners take? As Sunpower navigates its current challenges, solar homeowners should take the following actions to protect their investment. Document your system. Make sure you have copies of all documentation related to your solar installation, including warranty information, system specifications, and performance records. Monitor system performance. Keep a close eye on your system's performance. If any issues arise, address them as soon as possible. Explore additional protection. Consider securing extra coverage, such as a third-party warranty or insurance, to safeguard your system for the long term. Stay informed. Follow updates on Sunpower's situation and any changes that could impact your system. For homeowners in the process of installing Sunpower systems, communicate with your installer. Maintain regular communication with your installer to stay updated on your project status and any potential effects of Sunpower's situation. Review your contract. Go over your installation contract carefully, paying special attention to the warranties and guarantees provided. Consider alternatives. If you're concerned about continuing with Sunpower equipment, discuss alternative options with your installer to explore other solar solutions. This is a challenging time for both Sunpower and its customers, but it's not the end of the road, not just yet. We'll keep you updated as the situation develops, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more updates on everything solar. Thanks for watching.